Hi everyone, Abby here, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Now today I'm going to be unboxing the new Garmin CIRQA Smart Band. This is Garmin's first screenless fitness tracker. It's joining the game, so I do have this in the color mauve. It did come in some other color options as well, as you can see on screen. And the current price for this smartwatch is $279.99 Canadian and $199.99 American. I did also pick this up in the size large, extra large, but you can get it in the size small, medium if you would prefer. Now, let's go ahead and unbox it. That's what you guys came here to see. In case you guys are wondering, Garmin doesn't really put stickers on their boxes. Ooh. Okay, so start off with the accessories and paperwork first. It does come with a charging cord. And this is a proprietary Garmin cord, USB-C. There's a get started guide, some paperwork here. And we have a product and safety little pamphlet. Now let's go ahead and take this out of the package. All right guys, so here it is right out the box, the Garmin Cirqa. This color does not look the same as it did on the package, guys. Just wanted to throw that side by side. It's actually a lot lighter than it appeared online as well. I'm not mad at it, just wanted to point that out for you guys. Now I'm gonna go ahead and try this on so you can see what it looks like on me. And here's what it looks like on me. You can see the black kind of peeking through the sides there for the tracker portion. And if you're finding this video helpful so far, please go ahead and smash that like button for me. I'd really appreciate it. Now I do have a 7-inch wrist. I've gone ahead and placed all the sizes this can fit on screen for you for the large XL band, and I'll put the dimensions for the medium small as well if you're interested in that one. And I just want to show you guys the heart rate sensor real quick, which is the Garmin Elevate 4 heart rate sensor. And it does have a button at the side here. So it just has one button there. All right guys, so my first impressions here, this is very comfortable. This band here, it doesn't feel like, I don't know what this fabric is, but it doesn't feel like a typical nylon. It kind of feels like cottony, but softer. I really like the feel of it on my skin. It's nice and smooth. It does have Velcro on the bottom, which you can use to kind of adjust it and loosen it. This is kind of like a pinkish gold color. This is very lightweight. I will say I'm not loving the thickness. Kind of like smartwatch territory thick. It's a little bit thinner. It's actually a tiny bit thinner than the smartwatch here. Let me know what you guys think about the look of this. Now I'm gonna go ahead and set this thing up completely. Once I get a real feel for it, I'll come back on an AbbyBReviewing Tech Tuesday soon to do a full review for you guys. I'm gonna let you guys know how it's performing and how I'm liking fitness tracking as well without a screen. And if you guys are looking to pick up the new Garmin CIRQA Smart Band here, I've gone ahead and left a link down in the description for you to use. And stay tuned for my full review on this watch. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.